Right. Welcome back. This is Swam from Askmefunnels, sales funnels marketplace for the ClickFunnels and WordPress based platform. In this video, we are going to talk about why is affiliate bridge funnel is a requirement to sell more and more affiliate products. All right. So before giving you a free access to the affiliate bridge funnel, I thought why should not I offer you why you have a requirement of the affiliate bridge funnels and what these funnels are actually and how it can be helpful to gain more and more leads and overall affiliate product sales, whatever the product you guys are promoting. For example, let's say you have a web email marketing platform and you are the affiliate marketer for the Available. You will have an you will have a unique ID or unique link to promote a Weber to your traffic. All right. So what happens that when why you need a bridge funnel is because social media marketing platforms, for example Facebook, doesn't allow you to promote the affiliate products directly using Facebook. Meaning if you want to run ads and wants to promote the affiliate product, Facebook will not allow you to directly place your affiliate link and redirect users to the Weber directly. All right. So in this case, what happens that sometimes you will get blocked by Facebook and your ads will not get approved, and even sometimes your account also get banned by using by Facebook. All right. So to avoid getting that ban from the Facebook, you must have the affiliate bridge funnel. Affiliate bridge funnel is something kind of the bridge between your marketing between your marketing platform and your affiliate product. All right. So what happens that if you have a bridge funnel, in that case you provide a link of that bridge funnel to your audience, and your audience land on the bridge funnel, and there they get to know about the affiliate product, and the people who wants to buy that product or wants to know more about that products or want to grab the deal specifically going on that bridge funnel page, they will get redirected to the affiliate products. All right. So what happens that if you have a bridge funnel, second benefit would be you can add your own Facebook pixel to build custom audience while you are running the Facebook advertisements. What happens that decrease the CPC and to acquire more and more leads and more audience by less spending on advertisements, what you should have a Facebook pixel, and you have a powerful custom audience so that you can create a custom and lookalike audience inside the Facebook Business Manager, and later on you can retarget to the lookalike audience and to sell more and more deals for your affiliate products like a Weber. All right. Also, the third benefit of the bridge funnel is that it helps you to generate leads. What happens that if you are having a, let's say you are having a 10% discount coupon of the Weber, what happens that you can set up a bridge page. All right. And you display a message to your audience that if you want to get that 10% coupon, just submit your name and email ID. Once users submit their name and email ID, they get redirected to the actual product, that is the Aweber product, and there they can enter the coupon you have shared with them. All right. So in this way you can generate the thousand of leads, and using that emails, and you can set up the follow-up funnels to retarget them and make more and more sales for that Aweber platform. All right. So the fourth requirement of the affiliate bridge funnel is that to add more value to the original product. For example, let's say everyone is selling iPhone in the world. All right. Thousands of shops are over there in NYC where people are selling iPhones. All right. All of them have a same pricing of the let's say $1,000. All right. or thousands of sellers are over there in NYC, and they are selling the same exact configuration of the iPhone X, and that is costing $1,000. All right. So how you can add more value to that particular original product? Let's say your target audience is the people who are ready to invest in the stock market. All right. So what happens that you target those stock market traffic in the NYC, and you say them in your bridge funnel that if you buy the iPhone X from me, I will provide you around 100 hours of video in which Warren Buffett has shared how you can become a millionaire by investing in stock market. All right. So what happens that people who are interested in to invest in the stock market and they have a need of the iPhone X, in that case they will not go anywhere else, and they will buy the iPhone X from specifically from you. In that case, in that condition, you would be able to sell more and more iPhones to your audience. And since you have added the value to the original product, and so in this case, in this way you will be able to sell more and more iPhones. All right. So this is the pretty simple example of how you can add more value to the original product. Let's say you are not selling an iPhone. All right. So let's say you are selling a Aweber platform. All right. Aweber is basically an email marketing platform, and how you can add more value on the bridge page. You may say that if you buy the Aweber subscription from my link, I will provide my audience the 100 days email sequence to retarget people, 100 days email sequence to sell products and sell training, sell authors books, and different email templates you would be able to get if you buy the affiliate programs from if you buy the Aweber program using my link. All right. So in this way you may add more and more value to the original product. And let me give you one more example. Let's say you want to promote the ClickFunnels one funnel away challenge. This is a very famous basically affiliate product in which you would be able to you would be able to get commission of the $100 from the even per sale. All right. So what you can do is just clone our affiliate bridge funnels, which we have delivered you for free, and you may add additional value in that one funnel away challenge. You may say that if you buy the one funnel away challenge from using my link, you would be able to get my one-on-one coaching call and how to use sales funnel and how you can sell more and more OFH trainings. All right. And you may add a value like sales funnels templates, and how you can launch your own sales funnels agency. All right. So what happens that you are in this way providing and adding more value to the original product, that is the OFA. OFA is a very best platform, best marketing product to sell as an affiliate. All right. So what happens that affiliate bridge page is basically a kind of page in which you add more value to the original product, and it helps you to sell more and more products without getting banned, and also generating more leads for your business. All right. Also, the fifth main point is that it helps you to become a pro in affiliate marketing. If you are doing everything systematically, you will be able to become a pro in affiliate marketing, and it would be a kind of the extra income stream for you. All right. So the last point is, if you want to increase your conversion rate, you must have the affiliate bridge funnels. All right. Because there are multiple benefits already I have shown you. So this is the reason affiliate bridge funnel is required to sell more products. All right. So this is a pretty little demonstration what I have mentioned you in the previous screen. Offer is something which you already have for your affiliate products, and list out all the benefits you can provide to your audience. All right, in this way you can point out all the benefits. First, point out all the benefits you can provide to your audience, link that benefits with your offer page. All right, in this way you would be able to create a perfect affiliate bridge page to increase your sales. All right, so overall, what is a bridge sales funnel is, in a single line, we can say that to attract new customers and get them interested in finding out more information about the product or service you are promoting is called a bridge sales funnel. All right, so funnels works for every kind of business. Either you are promoting the hostings, either you are promoting sales funnels, or uh, email marketing platforms, or any SaaS platform, any SaaS software you are promoting. Bridge funnels work for every kind of business. All right. So in this little presentation, we have talked about how you can, what is the affiliate bridge funnels and why you should use affiliate bridge funnels. All right. So let me quickly share my window so to demonstrate you what is the affiliate bridge funnels. All right. So what happens that to get your free affiliate bridge funnels, what you need to do is just log into Askmefunnels membership area, navigate to this section. Here you would be able to get the first page in which the affiliate product information is available. Second one is add all the bonuses, list out all the bonuses to push visitors to buy from your affiliate link. It also helps you to generate leads and capture their email list, and you can also retarget them with the follow funnels, and all you need to is just a ClickFunnel account. All right, so what you need to do is just click on the clone funnel, and the same sales funnel will get added in your ClickFunnels account. All right, so here is a demonstration of the free sales funnel which you are going to get. What happens that you would be able to get add here complete hook, so that you can grab the attention of the users. Here you may add a video of the bonuses you are going to provide, and what are the bonuses you are going to what they are going to get inside the OFA challenge. All right, so you can add over here to join the program name. Here you can add the urgency and list out all the benefits what you are going to deliver, what people are going to have once they buy from your affiliate links. All right, so the first mention all the benefits they are going to get from that particular product, or after that we have entered the plus. Here you what you are gonna get from me, meaning here after mentioning all the details of the OFA, you would be able to add the value from your side. Cool bonus 1, cool bonus 2, cool bonus 3. List all the bonuses, and at last you would be able to showcase them value from the product which you are selling them. And if people who buy these product from your affiliate link, in that case, what is the value they will get from you. All right, so mention the total value what are they are going to achieve, and after that mention that the original price of the product. All right, so in this way a user would be able to know all about the product informations and all about your bonuses. For example, let me quickly preview this affiliate bridge funds. What happens that when you user click on the join XYZ plan, a pop-up appears, and this pop-up helps you to collect the name and email and phone number details, and it helps you to generate more and more leads. Once people click on the join the channel, now they will get redirected into the OFA channel page, which is basically your affiliate product. To add that product, what you need to do is just click on the settings button, navigate to general option, and here on submit go to add your affiliate link. All right, so this is basically a one page affiliate bridge funnel. What you need to do is just enter all the benefits, all the bonuses you are going to provide the users, and after that click on the when you click on the join XYZ, a pop-up appears here. You can edit or the pop-up details over here. All right, that is all available when you appear in your sales funnel when you click from this our Ask Me Funnels membership area. All right, so once user click on these once user provide all the details like their name and email IDs. After that, they will get redirected to the one funnel away challenge to purchase. All right. So in this way, as we have mentioned, what are the reasons we have fulfilled? We are not getting banned from Facebook. Why? Because in now we will share our unique link of our sales funnels. All right. The second benefits is we can add our own Facebook pixel. What you need to do is to add the Facebook pixel on your sales funnel. You can click over here, and on the tracking code there is a header code available, and you can clone the Facebook pixel code from your Facebook business manager over here. In that case, you would be able to track your audience and track your audience activity, and to build your own custom audience you can add Facebook pixels. By accepting the email IDs, you can generate leads and retarget them using the follow funnels. How to set up the follow funnels with the affiliate funnel. This all the trainings are available step by step in the advanced training strategies sections. You can explore that training sections, and you would be able to get all the plug and play follow funnels from Ask Me Funnels membership area. All right, so in this way, using the affiliate bridge funnels, we have added more and more value to our original product, and it helps to sell more products. All right, so now what you need to do is just click on the clone funnel button, and the same funnel will get added in your ClickFunnels account. Right. So what happens that if you are not a ClickFunnels user, you can click here to get the 14 days trial link available in the descriptions down below. And if you are not from the ClickFunnels, and if you are not familiar with ClickFunnels and do not want to join a ClickFunnels because it costs you around $297 for the ClickFunnels Platinum users and $97 for the ClickFunnels Basic users, if you are not going to afford a ClickFunnels, what you can do is you can get the exact same funnels and more, around 180 plus sales funnels on the WordPress platform. What you need to do is just upgrade to the VIP membership, and you would be able to get 180 plus sales funnels available on WordPress platform. All those funnels are plug and play, and you can instantly clone to your WordPress or ClickFunnels dashboard, right? So in this video, this is all about the affiliate marketing bridge funnels, which is available for the affiliate marketers. There are around 30 plus affiliate bridge funnels already available under the paid sales funnel membership of the Ask Me Funnels. So if you want to have more plug and play sales funnel, just what you need to do is just navigate to the here 140 plus sales funnels plug and play and upgrade your membership either to the pro membership or VIP membership. If you are upgrading to the pro membership, that means you are going to get all the sales funnel in the ClickFunnels platform. But if you are going to upgrade your membership in a VIP mode, you would be able to get all the sales funnel in ClickFunnels platform as well as on WordPress platform. So if you need any kind of support, but you can take the support from here, and you will get the answers of all your queries. Right, so I hope I was able to explain you what is the affiliate bridge funnels and how you can clone one for yourselves. Thanks for watching this video, and in next video we will talk about how you can set up your own webinar funnels for free. Thank you.